Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now in today's video, we are going to be replacing the third brake light with a smoked brake light that I got off Amazon. Now replacing this is a fairly simple process, so let's get into it. Access your third brake light, you are going to have to remove one of the inside tail lights, whether it's your right one or left one. Since I am right-handed, I am going to be removing this tail light. They are held in with two T15 screws. I'm not going to bore you with taking that out, so I already undid those. Pull out your tail light. I'm just going to remove the connector here. Just so when I'm doing this, I'm not scraping the paint with anything. And now with the tail light removed, there are two 7mm screws on either side of the brake light that you have to remove. So I'm going to bring you in here and show you that. So now this is inside the bumper cover. I am looking right up at the third brake light here. Now these are the two 7mm screws that you have to remove. There's one here and then one on the other side right there. You can reach them both through one of the taillights. If you're not comfortable or you can't get a good angle on it, you could remove the other taillight, but you can reach both through one taillight. And then also this is the connector right here. Just going to pull this tab. Now I already undid these just for the sake of the video, but you're just going to pull this tab, and then that releases the light. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and remove these two 7mm screws, and you can pull the third brake light out here. Now with those two 7mm bolts removed, all you have to do is reach in here and you just have to grab your third brake light and pull it right out. Now this is the old one and this is the new one. I'm going to leave a link down in the description for where I got this off Amazon. This is the black one with the smoked lens. I believe it comes in maybe like a chrome finish with a clear lens, and then also a black finish with just a clear lens. The actual plastic inside the lighting is black, and then the lens itself is smoked, so that's what makes it smoked. So that's just a little comparison between the two. Now the existing one is LED, so it's not like you're going from a non-LED third brake light to an LED brake light. They're both LEDs, but if you ever needed to replace this, also this is the process on how you replace it. Okay, so now the process to install the new third brake light is the reverse of how you took it out. All you have to do is just stick that brake light in. Now all I'm going to do for the sake of this video is just show you what it looks like with the connector plugged in. Alright, so there it is. So that's what that third brake light looks like during the day. This is what have those halo LED tail lights. So that's what the third brake light looks like during the day. I'm going to give you a little bit of before and after for daylight and also for nighttime. So during the daytime, that's what it would look like when you hit the brakes for someone that's behind you. Now the stock third brake light is LED, but it just has a bunch of reflectors in there. So you know, that's what it looks like. So let's go see what the new smoked lens looks like during the day. Alright, so here we are with the smoked third brake light. Let's see what it looks like during the day. Now, like I was saying with the stock brake light, it's definitely just personal preference, but I personally I am digging it. And then, I mean, the fitment is great. I mean, we just got a lot of dirt in here, but once I clean that off, the fitment is great on there. So it's not like it looks cheap and it doesn't fit right. The fitment is really good. So let's check what this looks like at night. Okay, so here we are at night with the stock third brake light in there. Alright. So now let's swap in the smoked one and see what it looks like. Alright, so now that is the smoked tail light in there. So the smokedness definitely doesn't bring down any of the available light. Definitely looks still just as bright as the stock one, if not even a little bit brighter. And the thing that I like about it, the halo taillights are like individual LEDs in there, so it just continues that individual LED look. So that's the reason why I wanted to give it a shot, and I'm happy with it. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. My little guy just woke up. There he is. He's starting to cry a little bit. So this is where I'm going to end the video. Obviously you just need to put those 7mm bolts back in, button up the taillight again, and then you're all done. It's a very simple, easy process. Only takes about 5-10 minutes to do. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.